Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Today we are going to meeting about my React internship.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, do I have to share my monitors?
Sure, yeah. Share your screen on the
Uh,
Notion card, yeah.
Actually, I used to monitor, so
Mhm.
I I
Yeah,
use the big one. So I'm sorry that if I didn't look at you.
okay, no problem.
Okay, uh, where's
So are you now in Makassar or Jakarta?
what?
Are you now in Makassar or Jakarta?
Wait, I did. I'm in my district actually. I'm on district.
Okay.
Where's the share? I didn't. Where's the? Uh, okay. So I start from the personal base.
Mhm.
First,
Okay.
my personal base now. I don't overthink again about the video content, and
Amin.
when I record, I just let it flow.
Okay.
Just let it flow. So yeah, I think maybe in the future that I will increasing my quality of my video quality.
Mhm.
Uh, the second is I'm finished to trying speak English spontaneously.
Mhm.
Actually, on the video, I didn't use any help. And the third is knowing to create and editing video. Honestly, the this is this is the thing that burdened me to make video because I don't know to use the video editor.
Mhm.
So yeah, like that. And the business base, when I see again when I see again the our React program, the latest React program,
Mhm.
I understand little by little the structure, but don't not thoroughly, but little by little. And I think that's a good start to me.
Okay. Alhamdulillah.
Uh, I think that's it.
Okay. So continue.
So the scorecard, I forgot about the scorecard.
Okay, let's skip that for now.
Okay, and the review.
Yeah, let's skip that for now. We'll discuss this again
Uh,
after you have bootstrapped your momentum. Yeah.
so we are going to issue quiz.
Mm, okay. To-do list first. To-do list first. Yeah.
To the list first.
If it's done,
Okay,
then that you can check that.
oh, sorry. I think I thought that I have to type the not the.
Mhm.
Okay, for the expense claim, I didn't contact Revit till now.
Okay, so congratulations for uploading to YouTube. Yay!
Uh, Although the video is not good.
It's very good actually. It's very good. Okay, it's yeah, you still put some editing, you still put some slides in the front of the video. It's not mandatory, yeah. So if like making slides, making it slower for you, or making you feel has to be overthinking, then you can actually just skip it. Okay.
Okay.
So actually making the video should not take more than 10 minutes of your time.
Oh,
Just let it flow, as you said, yeah, spontaneous. Okay.
and I'm sorry for the bad grammar.
Okay.
I'm still learning.
Okay, that's good. That's
Okay.
actually the goal, yeah. That's actually the goal. Is it is to be done progressively. Okay. So the first time, then you have a baseline, and then you have a baseline again. So baseline is not to be the best or not to be very good or anything, but baseline is that so you can compare yourself to your former self. Okay.
Sir, I'm sorry for the sound of the rain.
Actually, I cannot hear the sound of the rain,
Uh, okay.
so I think your
I,
microphone is pretty good.
I feel really sorry. Okay. Next about the contact kita, or
Mhm.
we skip to issues list.
Yeah, your to-do list section is just for uh, reporting what things that you have done and what things that you have not done. And for the things that you have not done, then is there any issue that you need help?
Mm, maybe after I contact Rafita, because I
Mhm.
I didn't contact her,
Mhm.
so
Okay.
I already login, but I'm so confused about the web, so
Mm.
maybe later. So
Okay.
it's, can I share about my my problem in when I in this district, sir? Because the what's called it is so hard to get internet,
Mhm.
so I have to use my own my own my own ponsel, and I have to buy alone the internet. So
Mhm.
that's why I asked you about the accommodative
Mhm.
payment. So I'm sorry before.
Yeah, and I already said yes. All you have to do is contact
Yeah.
Rafika about the expense claim.
Okay. Thank you so much. Sorry. Okay.
So I think you are overthinking it again for this one. It's actually just a boolean, yeah, true, false, and then you make a yeah long time and make it a project. Okay.
But after I make it, it's just like, what? This is what I have shown the before.
Mm.
Uh, what is the uh wait, don't before what is the English? Cepatnya.
Mm.
Yeah, just like that. Okay. Uh, like, why I don't do it uh, like 1 month ago?
Mm.
Is it just easy, just like that?
Okay.
Okay, so we move on to issues list.
Mm.
Yeah. Actually, I forgot to put the TypeScript when
Mm.
I when in the first video, in the previous video.
Okay.
So I think can we discuss about it? So
Okay, sure.
because I browse
Mm-hmm.
on Google and I get, but when I try in my when I try it, there's a problem that I think I don't know what is this,
Okay.
and uh, I get not about the at TypeScript, but create the React app with the template TypeScript, but uh, it can uh, I can but it's not done because I don't know it's error like that.
Okay.
So
Okay. So let's open command prompt and also open the web page on how to create a React project with TypeScript. So which reference that you use?
so actually I direct. Um,
Okay, choose folder first.
like this can create
Yep,
website.
yeah, true.
What website?
Okay, maybe it's better to use lowercase, yeah, for the project name.
Oh,
And maybe just use a real project name instead of like new project. Like maybe like food app, travel app, dating app, something like that.
Lovia app.
Okay, you can use that.
Okay. Wait. There,
You can control
there's
C.
another.
You can control C. Yep. Okay.
Why can? Before it can. Why? It is success. Why?
Maybe because of internet connection. Could be because.
No, I have the same connection.
Hmm,
And when I open the other website, it's good. 'Cause- oh, it is because the low uppercase of the name.
maybe. Maybe.
Oh, what? Okay, sir. I know now. Maybe I can insert this step on next video. I think,
Okay.
but just insert, not.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Oh, so just like that, it's
Hmm.
done.
Okay, let's go.
It, so it is done. Uh, how about uh, just like me that I forgot to add I forgot to add TypeScript when I create the React project. just I create the React project like don't include the template TypeScript, but I want to insert the TypeScript to my React project.
Yeah, actually, there is instruction there. Yeah.
It is.
So yeah, this one. So
But
if you,
I don't understand what is the types not types React, or I just cop cop copy paste this.
okay. So actually, do you know what yarn add does?
Yes,
Yeah. So what do you know about yarn add? What does it do?
yarn app,
Hmm.
yarn add or yarn app,
Yarn add, that one that's in the mouse cursor.
yarn add.
Yarn. Yeah.
Uh,
What it's doing.
adding adding the TypeScript, but I don't understand.
Okay. What I mean is, what is the function of the yarn add command itself, regardless of TypeScript? Do you understand it?
Maybe yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Yarn app.
Okay. Actually, try to open a command line. Try to open
Command
another command
line.
line, maybe. You can use a different command line, command prompt. Okay, and then type yarn add dash dash help.
This like this.
Yeah, help. Okay, and probably you should scroll up to the first explanation, and then you can see that this is actually to install a package.
Oh, adding the package.
Yeah,
That depends
install a
on.
package.
Oh,
Actually, it installs not only one package, but it can also install multiple packages at one. So if you see the usage, it's yarn add packages and then ellipsis. Yeah. So that means you can put yarn adds package one, package two, package three, and so on, and yarn will install all of the packages that you give. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So when you see this command line, it's actually installing how many packages?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah,
5.
exactly. There are
Oh,
5 packages that will be installed by running that command. So if you want to know what these packages are, uh, you can open new tab, go to npm.js. npm.js.
MGS.
Mhm. Okay, npmjs.com. And now you can search there. You can search from the first package.
Source.
It's the first one. Yep, that one. You can just type the package
Source.
name there. Yep, TypeScript. So you know what that package is about.
Oh, script finish.
Yeah. So these are the, yeah, just choose one. And so you know what this is about. Okay. So you know that these are the packages that are required when you want to develop React app with TypeScript. Okay. So these are the details if you want to know. But the short explanation is that all 5 packages are required to develop React with TypeScript. And again, my tip here is do not overthink it. Okay, you don't have to understand what these 5 packages are for. Yeah, just
Because I think this type slice note is what a folder. I think like that. So do I have to make a new folder of type
no,
slice note? Or
no. It's not a folder. It's actually because the package name has a convention, and the convention is either the package is using the default organization, for example, uh, just the TypeScript package. Okay, but some of the packages use organization. That means that are like add types or add something. Okay, but these are not folders on your computer.
so,
Okay, that's nice.
okay. So we have done for the first issues.
Okay, so the previous video does not use TypeScript, right?
Yes,
Okay, so put on the
but
recap. Yeah, so put on
yes.
the recap to-do list
So
on Notion. So you can see that the video content. Yeah, put the video content. One is actually you can create a new project or you can continue the previous project. Up to you, as long as you do not overthink it. Yeah, just make it.
inserting about inserting TypeScript.
Mm, okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can try to run the project to make sure that, oh, on the recap to-do list, also put run the React TypeScript project. Yeah, so it's a continuation of before. So demonstrate that,
I
yeah.
demonstrate demonstrate how to use TypeScript.
Mm, maybe just
Or
to start, yeah, just to start the
oh,
project. Okay,
like this one.
so yep, so try it now.
Try what, sir? I don't
To start the
understand.
project, yeah, start the
Oh,
project, yeah, using terminal.
wait, wait.
Okay, try.
Yarn start or
I think so. If you forget, you can open readme.md. You can try opening
mm,
readme.md.
yeah, yeah. Yarn start and
Hmm. So I think you have upgraded your laptop, yeah. Seems very fast.
what? No, I just adding monitor and keyboard. Make a
Okay.
keyboard mechanic because
Okay.
the sound is so satisfying, sir. So
Okay.
I use make a keyboard.
So what monitor do you use?
LG.
LG.
LG 24-inch.
Okay, that's cool.
I plan to buy webcam,
Hmm,
so I want to put the in above the monitor.
okay, so you want to be a YouTuber?
Not just because I think maybe it will be useful in the future when I work from home like this.
Mm, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, so this works. Okay, so what else that you want to discuss?
Oh, wait. About the project that we met before
Mm-hmm.
program. I think I make so much mistake for
Mm-hmm.
the explain when I explain it. So I want to make sure.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to I have one what reason. So so about the wait actually before we start yarn on another project,
Mm-hmm.
but I open it. I have to start again, or I have to
You mean you have?
terminate the
You mean you should
terminate
stop?
the
Yes,
uh,
actually, you should stop the previous one. It's if it's still open, but if it's already closed, then yeah, you can just start the new one.
I think it's close.
Because you are opening the project on the same window,
Yeah.
yeah. But if you open two Visual Studio Code windows, then you need to stop the previous one first because they will be using the same port.
But we can use the different port with the
Yes,
I
we can set
mean
different
like
ports.
yeah, I mean like we if we want to make admin web and user common user web.
Hmm. Yes,
Oh,
you can set two ports. Okay, you can set a different port.
okay.
All
I
right.
wait. It,
Yay! It's cool.
okay. So the first, sir, I want to ask you. Uh, I remember when I code this using Java,
Mm-hmm.
it most like the same as React, or you don't think so, or I
In Java,
think it,
which
yeah,
Java?
Java,
Which framework?
Java, wait, Java desktop program.
Java Desktop,
NetBeans. I'm using NetBeans when I on the college
NetBeans, and Swing.
swim. No, I mean the structure. Like I
Mm,
have to or every programming language has
mm,
the same the same what the same thing.
mm.
Do you understand what I mean?
Well, what kind of
uh,
things you have to name it. You cannot just say
uh,
thing.
like like I have function
Mm,
up in this app error. I initiate the variable and I can make the what's the function again like this. It's the function. Mm, wait, I think different.
mm.
skip, sir, skip.
Okay, I would say that without specific question, yeah, I can say that there are things in common. There are concepts in common,
Yeah,
but there are
yeah.
also concepts that are different. Okay.
It looks
Mm,
familiar to me, but when I see it,
yeah, I would say it's much better to approach this with uh, with an assumption that everything is different. Okay, so put your mindset on, okay, so this is React, and you want to learn how React works. Okay,
oh, okay.
the ones that are common are just the way you can define variables. So there are variables, there are functions, and you can call functions, and variables have types. There is boolean, there is object, there is number, and so on. Okay, but other than that, the structure is entirely different.
I think I think the same word.
Okay.
Okay. This step. Do I have to use step to initiate the first the first value of the variable, or
Okay, so
you instead have
mm,
the another another function that I don't know.
okay, so have you read the documentation for useState?
Actually, no.
Mm, okay, but
Wait, wait,
that's
wait,
just
wait.
reference, yeah. Okay, let's try to open the documentation for useState.
Yeah, yeah.
Although it may be not very useful, uh, but let's see. Yeah, yeah,
Oh
okay.
yeah, declare.
Oh, there is an Indonesian translation as well. That's cool. Okay,
No,
so
Indonesian is prohibited to use.
okay, all right. So your question is whether. So do you know what state means here? Why it's called state?
State.
Mhm.
Don't know.
Okay, so state here means something that is safe and can change. Okay, so
Oh,
anything that is saved, this is talking about the UI. So something that is saved and can change, saved in memory, yeah? Saved in memory. So this can be anything. For example, mm, let's talk about this web page. Do you think there is state in this web page?
state
Yeah,
in this web page.
yeah. If you develop the UI for this web page that you are looking for, do you think there is state in this web page,
Mm,
or there is no state?
I think when just like you said before,
Mm-hmm.
when the things change,
Mm-hmm.
but I see there is no way we can change
Okay.
like input.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Is this
Okay. Can you click it?
the
Can you click it?
yes?
Yes. Okay. So you're right. That one can be state. Okay.
Oh,
Because there is something like a variable, yeah. Something like a variable. Maybe the variable will be named uh like or dislike, yeah. And that is a state, yeah. Because when the page is loaded, the like is false and dislike also false, yeah. Because
yes.
the user has not clicked anything. But then after you click on like, that means like becomes true, okay, at the same page. That is state. That is the concept of state. Okay. So because the state changes, then the message is also different, yeah. Previously the message is, do you want to like or dislike? But then after you click like, it becomes,
Oh yes.
thanks for letting us know. So state has is related to what's displayed by the UI. If the state changes, then the UI will change as well. Okay. Can you find something else in the UI that is a state? So that's true. That is correct. That is correct. And you are also correct that this content is not state. It cannot be changed. Okay. Or at
How
least,
about this site?
hmm? This one.
The search
Yep.
input.
Correct. Yeah, that's correct. That is also a state. Why? Because when you type on it, actually the page changes here. Okay. Azan first. Okay. So do you want to pause the meeting and you salat asar first?
Is it okay, sir?
Hmm?
Is it okay?
Yeah, of course.
Allah
So
first.
yeah. So what time do you want to resume?
I want to inform you if I
Oh,
maybe just 10 minutes.
hmm. 10 minutes.
I yeah.
How about 30 minutes?
It's up to you, sir.
Huh? It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay, so we'll start again at 14:30 Jakarta time. Yeah.
40, 30. Oh, 14. I'm sorry.
Hmm.
I misheard. 14.
Okay.
Okay, 14. Okay, sir.
Okay. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, Waalaikumsalam.